Hi everyone. All right, today's learning goal is I can use line to create an optical illusion. Now, you've created some optical illusions with me before, but today the key is going to be to use line in order to make this hand look three-dimensional, like it's popping out of the paper. And we're going to use a little bit of shadow too. So have your paper and pencil ready. And here we go. We're going to trace our arm and hand on your paper, just like this. Remember, if you need to pause the video to catch up or to keep up, that's the beauty of having it on video. So go ahead and pause if you need to and get your hand traced with a little bit of arm too. Last week, we only traced our hands. This week, we're going to do a little bit of our arm as well. So once we have our hand and our arm traced, we're about to add the lines. So we're going to add the lines going straight across, but when we get to the arm, we're going to curve that line and then continue going straight across. The trick is make sure that line stays connected, but that it changes into a curve. Don't let the lines become disconnected. We want to keep the rows so that the colors will connect later on. Oh, my line got a little crooked there, but I'm going to go with it. All right, straight, and then we get to the arm, curve it around, and then straight across. Straight, curve, straight. So it's going to be like that all the way up the arm. Straight, curve, straight. Straight, curve, straight. Just make sure that it's staying connected. Even though it changes direction into a curve, it still stays connected to that line. Curve across the hand, straight. So as we get up into the hand, it's going to remain a similar idea like we just did all the way up the arm. So keep it going straight, still keep it curved, curving it a little bit differently around the hand, but just thinking about the shape of the real hand. Curve, especially at those edges, curve it up and down, just so that there's some kind of curve going on there. Curve, straight, curve. Now you might need to start hopping over fingers, but you still want to keep a line in between. So this is where it's going to get a little bit tricky. So in between fingers, we need to do that straight line, but on the finger, we need to curve it. Curve, straight in between. Oh. Need to go back and add that straight line in between. I forgot to add that. Yep. Straight, curve, straight, curve. Curve it around each of those fingers. Straight in between, curve, straight, but notice how that whole crazy line stayed connected the entire time. Even though we had a lot of different directions it went in, stayed connected. Curve, straight in between, curve, 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 straight, curve at the thumb, and then straight again. So the fingers are a little bit tricky, so don't let it confuse you. Just keep going. And you know what? If you make a mistake, we'll figure it out. It's okay. My lines aren't perfect, but I'm just going to keep going, and I think in the end it's going to be all right. Curve at the finger, straight. Curve at the finger, straight. Curve at the finger, straight to the edge. Few more left here. We're almost to the top of the page now. So some of this got a little bit tricky. Trickier than I thought it would be, actually. So just do your best. And we'll see what happens. I'm going to go back and add a line there because there was too big of a gap. If that happens, just go back and fill it in with another line. All right. Now it's time to color. So I have chosen a color pattern. I'm going to do blue, green, yellow, blue, green, yellow, blue, green, yellow. A rainbow pattern works really well for this project. So red, orange, yellow, green, blue, purple, and then repeat it. Or just a red, yellow, red, yellow, red, yellow, but I would do some sort of pattern of your choice. So whatever you want that pattern to be, go ahead and color in your lines that pattern. So make sure you're coloring the whole entire row across, even the curved area. So don't let the rows confuse you. Just follow it across your paper, all the same color. And when we're done coloring, we have one final step. So now we are going to add a shadow. So grab a black crayon and we're going to outline your whole entire hand, but we're going to put a bigger shadow on the left side than on the right side, almost like the light is shining from the right to the left. So go ahead and use your black crayon and add that shadow, and it should look something like this in the end. Nice work, everybody! So now head over to Flipgrid, click on that green plus sign, and show me your final artwork. I can't wait to see it. Give me a glow and a grow. Tell me what was difficult, something that could have gone better, and a glow, something that went really well and you like how it turned out. I can't wait to see it, and I hope you have a great day.